So before we can begin looking at a file in the CAD viewer inside of Trimble Connect, we have to create a Trimble Connect project. So once you log into Trimble Connect and you're at your projects page, you will click on the new button in the upper right hand corner, and we will enter in or provide a name for the project. For this training and demo example, we'll just call it CAD viewer demo. The project can have a thumbnail, so you can upload a thumbnail or a JPEG file for the cover of the project. We're going to skip that for now. The ownership should be set by default, and the server, depending on where you're at, will be like North America, Europe, Asia, or Australia. I'm in North America, so I will leave North America set. There are some other options that you can configure and set. You can give it a description and a start date and an end date for your project. I'm just going to click submit, and that will create a new project. It takes you to the Explorer window, and from here you can create a new folder. You can create a workspace, SketchUp model, download and synchronize from your desktop. But we're going to begin by creating a new folder, and we're going to call that folder CAD files. We'll click submit, and now we have a folder that within that folder, it's empty. Now, below this video, there is a zip file with 4 CAD files in it. So when you click on that file and download it, then extract it to open up the files. And when you do that, you should use your Windows Explorer and go to those CAD files. You'll see there's 4 CAD files: a grading plan, a site plan, storm drainage plan, and a utility plan. I'm just going to left click, selecting or basically drawing a window, left clicking and dragging from lower left or lower right to upper left, selecting all those. Then I'm going to left click on one of those files, and I'm just going to drag and drop it into my CAD file folder. You'll see that it uploads the files, and now those files are in my CAD files under my Explorer inside my Trimble Connect project. From there, we can select one of the files. So let's start by selecting the site plan file and clicking the checkbox, and then over to the right where it says view in, we're going to click that drop down and click on the CAD viewer option. This will open up that drawing inside of the CAD viewer window. If you get the cookies message, just go ahead and select accept all. And now you'll see that we're inside a CAD viewer, and we can pan and zoom and take a look at this drawing. So we're going to break this down in the following videos. We're going to provide some view tools. We're going to look at the editing tools and really provide an overview of the user interface, and then get into more detailed editing and drawing operations.